How does the habit tracker work in TickTick? If you are curious about how the habit tracker in TickTick can help you manage your study time effectively, you are in the right spot. Let's break down how this handy tool works. The habit tracker is designed to help users build and maintain daily habits while managing tasks. It operates separately from your regular tasks but integrates smoothly within the app. First, to get started with the habit tracker, you need to activate it. On the desktop version, this feature is not enabled by default. You will need to go to your profile settings and toggle on the habit feature. Once you do this, a dedicated habits section will appear in the menu. Here, you can create and manage your habits easily. Next, adding habits is straightforward. You simply click a plus icon to add each habit one by one. Each habit can be customized with its own icon, which adds a fun visual element. You can also group habits into sections based on the time of day or personal categories. This organization helps you manage your habits in a way that fits your lifestyle. When it comes to marking habits as complete, TickTick makes it easy. You can mark habits as done alongside your tasks or use dedicated widgets on your mobile device. This quick logging keeps your momentum going without interrupting your workflow. Tracking your progress is another great feature. The app provides statistics on how often you complete your habits. You can see monthly check-ins and check-in rates, which compare your actual completions against your goals. This feedback helps you monitor your consistency and make adjustments as needed. If you like to see everything in one place, you can also display your habits on your calendar view. This shows your habits alongside tasks and events. However, some users prefer to keep habits in the dedicated habits section to avoid cluttering their calendar. If you find that a habit is no longer relevant, you can archive it instead of deleting it. Archiving stops active tracking but keeps the habit accessible for future reference. From a study management perspective, the habit tracker in TickTick is a great tool for building consistent study routines. By organizing and monitoring your habits, you can develop discipline and focus on your study goals. The ability to customize habits, quickly log completions, and see progress statistics encourages accountability. This helps you identify patterns that can improve your study efficiency. In essence, TickTick's habit tracker offers a user-friendly way to create, organize, complete, and track habits. It integrates habit formation into your daily task management, supporting better time and study management.